In this video series, we will complete a Revit project in 12 easy steps. Please subscribe to our channel for future updates. We have created our door and window tags in our previous video. Now let's see how we can add the floor in Revit. We will be working in our level 1. Go to Architecture ribbon and click on the floor button. We have a generic 12-inch floor family here. Now click on Edit Type and then click on the duplicate. We will type 6-inch thick floor here. Now we have created our 6-inch thick floor family. Click on Edit next to the structure parameter. Here change the thickness to 6 inches. Now we will assign a material to our floor. Now click on these 3 dots to open the material browser. Now select Concrete. Cast in place gray as material and press OK. Our 6-inch thick floor family is ready. Now go to Modify or Create Floor Boundary ribbon and change the Draw option from lines to rectangle. Now change the offset to 3 feet. Now let's draw it on our level 1. Click on the endpoint of the walls at the upper left corner and now click on the endpoint in the lower right corner. Now press this tick mark to finish edit mode. We can see that a floor has been created under our walls. We added an offset of 3 feet so it is also going outside of our room. This is how it looks in 3D and elevation views. In our next video, we will add roof in our project. What do you think about the video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.